Will my job be replaced by an AI? Probably yes. And I work as a salesperson, so there are two levels to answering that question. Yes, it will be replaced, but not all salespeople will be replaced. If your job is going to be replaced, depends on complexity of your job. If it's very generic and it's number based, and you can teach a person do it like in a day or 2 or 3 or 10, probably yes, then it's going to go away. If it's something super complex that requires communication, trust, knowledge, experience, connections, it's something harder to replicate. So here's what you can do. If you don't know, go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt, and you will have a copy in the description. So you can just go into the description right now, copy paste it, go to ChatGPT, and bam, you have it. Doesn't matter what you sell, Web3, Web2, no, like it's gonna be the same. And the prompt says like it, pretend you're sales rep at, you put your website here. First, study and internalize all available information about our company, product, services on our website and any relevant public web sources. Then interact with me as if I were a potential buyer. Your goal is to act like a professional seller. Ask me discovery questions, handle objections, highlight value propositions, and guide me through the sales process. Stay in character as your website sales rep throughout the conversation. And then play with the ChatGPT where it's going to be the seller and you're going to be the buyer. And then you will see how good it is right now. And think that it will get better probably in the next 1, 2, 3 years, and just build yourself a mental trajectory. What are the gaps between what this AI will be doing and what you're doing? What you can do better? What AI will never be able to do? This is going to give you an answer to how replaceable your sales job is with AI right now. If it's not, great, amazing. You just keep doing what you're doing, keep getting better in what you're doing. If it is, you don't need to panic. You just need to either reposition yourself within the company or reposition yourself within the complexity of sales cycle that you're doing. Because if you're just an SDR, well, your job is going to do bye-bye maybe even this year. But if you're serious about getting better, this should give you enough understanding, and then you just need to decide for yourself, because nobody will be able to tell you like, hey, you need to do X, you need to do Y, you need to do Z, you need to know it yourself. You need to make your own educated decision and take full consequences if there's going to be any for that decision. Hope that answers your questions. All the relevant links and information is going to be in the description. Go there. If you like this video, send it to your fellow sales rep, maybe send it to somebody else in your company that is doing a different job, let's say customer success, and let them play around with AI, because it's going to do all the job. And I hope that you plan yourself for a good and nice future. See you.